Welcome to this meditation for calming anxiety. Let's begin by settling into a position that feels restful for your body, whether you're sitting or lying down. Now gently allow your eyes to close or let your gaze soften on a single point in front of you. Now take a long, deep breath in, deeper than your usual breath. And as you slowly exhale, begin to arrive here, right here in this moment. Let the sound of my voice become your guide, gently anchoring you to the now. There's nowhere else you need to be, nothing you need to get done. This is your time, your space to simply be. If your thoughts begin to wander or noise interrupts, that's okay. Just notice it and gently bring your attention back to your breath. Let's take another deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let each breath stretch a little further, becoming fuller with each round. Feel your chest rise and your belly expand with the inhale. Hold it for just a moment, then let the breath go, softening your body as you exhale. Keep breathing gently, letting your breath travel throughout your body. With each inhale, invite in calm. With each exhale, let go of tension and stress. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice if there are any areas that feel tight, heavy, or unsettled. Try to soften the muscles in your forehead, relax your jaw, and allow your shoulders to drop down and away from your ears. Let your hands open loosely. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm, calm and effortless. Use it as a steady point of focus. If you become distracted by a noise or a thought, just gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Anxiety is a natural response to the uncertainty of life. Many times, anxiety helps us to foresee potential problems and plan for the future. In small doses, it's okay and even helpful. But sometimes it can become overwhelming and actually stop us from moving forward. When this happens, it's usually because we are caught up in a story. Maybe it's a story about what could go wrong, or what we should do, or even about what others might think. Now I invite you to take a moment to bring one of those situations into your awareness. Gently allow yourself to think of something that's been making you feel anxious or uneasy. Not the most overwhelming thing, just something that's been pressing on you. Now, notice the thoughts you're having about this situation. Notice any judgments that appear. Maybe there's a belief that you've done something wrong. Maybe a thought that things should be different. After you've noticed the judgment, imagine letting it go. You don't have to hold on to it. Let it drift away like a cloud passing through an open sky. Next, become aware of the story you are carrying about this situation. What's the story you've been repeating to yourself? What do you believe it means about you, or about who you are now, or about your future? If you notice your mind wanting to hold on to a thought, that's okay. Simply recognize that resistance and return your attention once more to the breath. Feel your body again. Let the ground beneath you remind you that you are supported. Let your breath remind you that you are safe right here. Now, take a few moments to enjoy this break from judgment or the story. Focus simply on your breathing, using it to cultivate a sense of calm and peace. Now, if you like, you may try bringing that situation back into your awareness, but this time without the filter of judgment or the weight of the story. Try to just observe it as it is. Take an open and curious perspective. How does it feel now? Perhaps you notice a shift in your body, less tension, more spaciousness. Perhaps a new idea or thought will appear about this situation. If it does, acknowledge it and then let it go for now, returning your attention to the breath. Trust that calm brings clarity, and with clarity, the path forward rises into awareness in due time. Now, let yourself rest in the stillness for a few moments. As we near the end of this practice, remember, when anxiety arises again, as it will, you can choose to detach from the story and return to the present moment. Back to your breath, back to the clarity that lives beneath the noise. You are not your anxiety. You are the calm awareness behind it. Let's take 3 final deep breaths together. Inhale, feeling your lungs expand. And exhale, releasing everything. Again, a little deeper this time. And exhale fully. One last time, your deepest breath yet, holding it at the top, and slowly letting it go. When you feel ready, begin to bring movement back into your fingers and toes. Let your breath guide you gently back into your body, into the room, and into the now. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this calm with you as you move through your day, one breath at a time.